All right, so this week we're learning and talking about finding the unknown number in an equation. Okay, using addition and subtraction strategies to find the missing number. Okay, in class, your child's going to be solving mathematical mysteries. Your child will be seeing addition and subtraction equations where one of the numbers is missing. Your child will need to figure out the unknown number using a different addition and subtraction strategy that he or she has learned. Below are examples of the different types of problems your child will be solving. So if we look at 4, I'm going to write it bigger. If we look at 4 plus blank equals 11, this number right here is missing. But remember that every time we have a plus symbol, we know that everything around it has to be a part. We know that a part plus a part is a whole. We know we can always put our numbers into number bonds as well. So if 4 is a part, and blank is a part, and the total is 11, we know we can count on from the part we know up to the whole. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So the missing part is 7. We know we can count on from the part we know up to the whole. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Missing part is 7. Okay, we know we can also take our whole, which is 11, and draw it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 new lines, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And the part is 4. So if we circled 4, the missing part would have to be whatever is left over, which is 7 is that part, 4 is the missing part, and the total or the whole was 11. Okay, there's all different ways that we can solve. We could also count on from 4 up to 11, right? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 jumps. 4 and 7 make 11. We could count backwards from 11 back to 4. 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 9, 8. Oh, I see what I did with silly Sanders. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. So counting back all the way to 4, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 jumps, right? Okay, so these are just a few ways that we can explore. When we move on to the next page, we're going to show you an example of what you can do to practice with your child at home. Okay, so on page 352, lesson 16, this is a different activity that you can do with your kids at home. Do this activity to explore finding unknown numbers. The materials you would need would be 10 or 20 counters. You could do it either with a smaller amount or a larger amount, depending on where your child is. Okay, this one says have your child count out 14 counters. Tell your child to close his or her eyes, and then you take them away. Remove 5 counters, hide them so your child does not see them, and then have them count the remaining counters. Okay, then you could write the equation 14 take away some, which we don't know. I'm going to write it over here. 14 take away what equals 9. And have your child count different ways to figure out what the missing part is. If this is 14 minus, we know that this is the whole because we know a whole minus a part equals the part. We also know that a part plus a part equals the whole. So if the part we know is 9 plus blank equals 14, we can write it as an addition equation too. So here we could count backwards 14 back to 9 to find it, or we could count 9 beads and then count up to 14 to see how many we're missing. You could do all different ways to explore.